Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting fast. Open your phone's paired device locator or the watch's own Find My service and trigger a ring. Because the watch may still be nearby, call it and watch for sound or vibration. This saves time versus searching blind. Once done, check the last known location and battery percentage to prioritize areas. Make sure to quickly retrace recent routes. Think doorways, bags, and seats, so you focus where the watch most likely dropped or hid. Next, use tracking tools to narrow the search. Enable live location streaming and inspect the map's accuracy indicator, because GPS drift can mislead. Then switch to Bluetooth range detection, move slowly and watch signal strength, or use a third-party tracker app for proximity beeps. Once done, scan inside rooms systematically. Flashlight low across surfaces helps reveal reflective bands. Make sure to coordinate with someone else for a parallel sweep. 2 people reduce missed spots and speed up recovery. Finally, when you locate the watch, first confirm it syncs and check battery health, then back up any recent data so nothing is lost. If the watch is offline, set lost mode and leave your contact information while monitoring location updates. This increases the chance of an honest return. Troubleshoot if you still can't connect. Reboot the watch and phone, test Bluetooth range, attempt repairing, and review recent Wi-Fi networks for last seen locations, because those steps often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.